Okay, Keegan here, traveling combo welder. The question came up, should I stay local or should I travel for my first job out of welding school? Okay, first off, if you're a person who doesn't like to travel, I wouldn't recommend traveling because there is a lot involved with traveling as a welder. Hotels, traffic, getting to the job sites, dealing with new people, buying your own food and making it, or getting fast food. There's just a whole lot of things into traveling, and if you're not used to it and you don't like it because you have traveled before, then I wouldn't recommend it traveling as a welder. Now, if you can find jobs close to the house that you like and that pay what you want, that's great. Do that and stay there. There are plenty of people and there are plenty of shops that need full-time welders. Or if you can get on to a plant as a maintenance welder, that's awesome as well, because some of these oil refineries and plants, they pay a lot of money for in-house welders and full-time people. Like, I got a buddy that just started with Marathon in Billings, Montana, and he's making a crazy amount of money, and they give him all his tools. He's got his own shop, and it's really awesome. So if you can find a welding job that is close to home, that pays a lot, that's great. Another thing with working at home though and not traveling is, if it's a job like a maintenance job, you won't get to weld a lot, so it'll take you longer to get better at welding, if that makes sense. Because traveling on the road has taught me how to deal with people from all around the world, live in different situations, and I've had to adapt my welding to wherever I'm working. So some plants only weld a certain way. This plant only welds a certain way. You're going to be welding on this tower, this job, you're going to be welding the pipe racks, this job, you're going to be welding on heaters. So when you travel, you get really good experience with life and learning about who you are as a person, and also growing your skills as a welder, because no job is the same type of welding, if that makes sense. So what it comes down to is you need to figure out what's best for you. If you're not financially stable to travel yet, then stay close to home and find a job and just build your money for a house, or if you want to travel. Now, if you have the finances available and you don't mind to travel, then yeah, travel and go see the world and make money at it, which is what I do, and I love it. And I'm at the point now where I don't like being home too long. I like to go travel and see different things. So just do whatever works best for you. Like I said, there's no right or wrong way to tackle the traveling welder or just a combo welder, a pipe welder, There's no wrong or right way. So hopefully that helped.